Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today is day 26 of vlogging the journey. So we ended up taking a win today on gold. So we entered a long position and we got a 1.54 RR return on the day. So we'll go on to the charts now. And before we do go on the charts, I do want to show you guys my new webcam. So look at this shit, bro. Like we got a 4K webcam. So you guys are going to be seeing me on the bottom of the screen when I do go on the charts now. So, bro, this is just gonna be interesting because, like, when I bought this shit, I was so geeked out. I was like, damn, I'm gonna be like a streamer now. So, we'll see how we go with that. And yeah, I'm gonna go on the charts now, and then I'll show you guys exactly what I did this morning. Hey, let's go. Bro, let's put some in my head real quick. Bro, I'm gonna feel like a streamer right now. Alright, let's just sort this out. Bring it around here. I think that should be enough. There should be enough room for the rest of the screen. Yep, so I'll just do the trading recap for the day, guys. So on the 4 hour, we were bearish on the day. Sorry, let me just go to the day. So on the 4 hour, we were bearish. And on the 1 hour, we were bullish. Coming into the Forex market open. And then we had these fair value gaps stacked in the upward direction. So we had these two fair value gaps here. So price, we had a huge sell-off actually after market opened. So we can see the sell-off here. And then I was waiting for price to either respect one of these levels. So price disrespected this 1 hour fair value gap, disrespected this 1 hour fair value gap. So I disregarded both of them. And then we had this 1 hour breaker block before we had this 1 hour liquidity and the London low. So we ended up respecting the 1 hour breaker block. So we got a breaker structure to the upside. And then my first TP was at 1 RR, so which was this line here. And then the second TP at the London high and the 1 hour liquidity zone there. And then for my third position, I trailed the stop loss so that I can get a better return, so I can like make sure that my profits are taken before the position reverses potentially. So what I ended up doing was I placed the stop loss at the very before I got stopped out. I placed the stop loss here where we had 3 candles on the 1 minute in the same direction forming a fair value gap, and then I place the stop loss below the 3 candles so that I make sure that I get enough room for price to move, and if price wants to reverse, we end up getting taken out before it does so, going too further down so that we can't maximize our profits. So yeah, that was the trading day. Also, when I do trail my stop loss, I do have to mention that if I get a 1 minute breaker structure, I'll place the stop loss at the newer low that was formed. So if it was here, for example, where we got the breaker structure, I would place the stop loss here at the new low formed. So yeah, that was the trading recap for the day. The only way I could see that I would lose today was that we moved below the breaker block, hit the London low and 1 hour liquidity, or go for the Asia low and 4 hour liquidity, and then cause some sort of reversal to the upside. But we ended up respecting this 1 hour breaker block here, and then we got this breaker structure to the upside, and so the trade went in our favor. So yeah, that is the trading recap. If you guys do like my videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment down below. If you want to stay up to date with my videos, hit the bell notifications, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.